Hi, Alice. It's Jenny here. What are you doing tomorrow evening? Hi, Jenny. How are you doing? I am free tomorrow evening and will be staying at home. Tomorrow is my birthday and I am having a party in the evening. It would be great if you could come over to my place and join me. Of course, I would love to be there. Thanks for inviting me. I'm really glad to hear that you can make it. I'll be waiting for you. Wish you a very happy birthday. A small token of love for you. Thank you so much, Alice. It's such a lovely gift. I would love to wear it. Hey, Alice, meet my cousin, Andy. Andy, this is my friend, Alice. Hi, Alice. Nice to meet you. Hi, Andy. Nice meeting you too. So, what do you do? I am a fashion photographer. I work with a modeling agency. And you? I am a university student. I am pursuing a master's degree in history from Green Valley University. Oh, my elder sister also studied history. She now teaches history in high school. Nice to hear that. I want to be a teacher too. I'm planning to get myself enrolled in a teacher's training course after completion of my master's degree. History is an interesting subject. I've always been eager to learn about the real stories of past people, places, and events. Well, photography must also be an exciting profession. I had a passion for wildlife photography when I was in school. Oh, really? I would always carry my camera with me whenever we went to the jungle on vacations. I just loved taking photos of wild animals and birds in natural surroundings. Photography is a great hobby. But I was more interested in collecting picture postcards when I was a school student. I would collect postcards which had pictures of beautiful cities. Hey guys, the dinner is ready. Please help yourselves. Wow! All the dishes look so appetizing. I just don't know which one to start with. You should taste every item on the menu. I'm sure each one of them is as delicious as the other. Would you like some more meatballs? That would be great. Thanks. Why don't you have another serving of the grilled chicken? Thanks, but I have eaten enough. I am full. I'm sorry, Jenny. I have to leave now. Thank you so much for inviting me. This is such a wonderful party. I'm so happy you came. Wish you had stayed a little longer. I'll see you soon. Enjoy yourself. Bye. See you too. Bye.